So hello everyone, let us solve another LeetCode problem, and the problem name is +1. So you are given a large integer represented as an integer array digits where each digit of I is the ith digit of the integer. The digits are ordered from most significant to least significant in left to right order. The large integer does not contain any leading zeros. In the end, you need to increment the large integer by 1 and return the resulting array of digits. So what the question is saying that you are given a digits array, let's say, which is looking something like this. So this is representing an integer which is nothing but 125. In the end, you need to increment this by 1. That means the answer should be 126, right? So you need to return the digits array, which would look something like this, 126. So this is what the question is saying. So this is pretty much easy problem. We just need to add +1 to it and take care of the carry forwards that we need to do. So let us understand with few examples what all scenarios we can have in this and how will we solve this. So let us see the first example. Let us see this example only that we have taken just right now. 125, let us say. So you will be iterating from the backwards, obviously. So first you will be here. So first you need to increment this by 1. So what we will do, we will try to +1 each and every digit until there is one carry forward. Otherwise, if there is no carry forward, we would simply return from there. So this is the first place, so we need to do +1 to it. So we will do +1 and we will check whether by doing +1 this digit doesn't become 10. If it doesn't become 10, that means there will be no carry forward towards the left, so we can simply return from here. But what if it is becoming 10? Then we need to again do +1 here, and if it becomes 10 here also, then we need to do +1 here also. So that is how we'll be doing. So in this case, the 5 + 1 doesn't become 10, so we will simply do +1 and return from here. So we will do +1, so this 5 will become 6. And since it has no carry forward, so we don't need to do +1 in the left part. So we will simply return from here, and our digits final resulting array would look something like this. Okay, so let us take some another example where there is like carry forward as well. So let us take the digits array as this. Let's say 1 1 9 9. So let's say this is the digits array. So we'll be starting from here. So 9 + 1 is 10. So this is becoming 10. So we need to do one carry forward here and make this place as 0. So yes, now our digits array would look something like this, right? 1 1, this will be here and this will be 0. So now we'll be here. Now we will do +1 again because there is one carry forward. So +1. So we are not keeping track of carry forward individually. We'll be just doing +1 if the right digit was making 10. Otherwise we will return from there. So simple +1 operation we'll be doing. We will not keep a separate carry forward. I'll show you in code as well how we are doing. But yeah, again we are at here 9. So this is becoming +1 as 10. So again we will add +1 towards the left side and make this particular place as 0. So now our digits would look something like this. Digits 1, 1, 0, 0. Now we are here. Now there will be +1 again because the right part has the carry forward. So we will do +1 here. So this will become 2. Now after adding 1 to this 1, it is becoming 2. It is not 10. So we will not add +1 towards its left. We will simply return from here. So our final digits array would look something like this. 1 2 0 0. And if you look like, if you add +1 to this particular digit, your final answer should be 1200 only. So that is what we are getting. So this is how we'll be doing. But there is one more case. What if there is the carry forward at the end of the digit, or I mean at the 0th index? So we will keep that case separately. We will not go towards its left. We will simply append 1 towards its left side, nothing else. So let me show this again with one example. So let's say this is the digits array. Let's say 9 9 9. So you'll be starting from here. You'll do +1. It will become 10. So you'll make it 0 and you'll move forward with this. So this will be the next digits array, would look something like this. Now you will be here. Now you will do again +1, so this will become 0 and you will come here. Now you need to do +1 again here also. So now your array would look something like this. So now you are here, you will do +1 again, so it will become 10. So you will try to go towards the left side and making it 0. But wait, this is the 0th index. So at the 0th index we will keep a check. If there is a 0th index, we don't want to go towards the left, we will simply insert 1 at the beginning of this digits array. So simply insert 1 at the beginning. So how it will look like, we will simply like this will be same, this will become 0 only, but instead of taking a +1 towards the left, we will simply insert here 1. So how will it look? So the final resulting array would look something like this: 0 0 0. But since this was the last digit, we will not take carry forward, instead we will insert 1 here. So this is how our final digits array would look like. So let me just show you. 1, 0, 0, 0. So this will be our final digits array, and if you know, if you add 1 to this, you will get 1000 only. So this is how we are getting. So this is how we'll be solving this problem. Just simply add +1 to each and every place until there is a carry forward, otherwise just return from there. So let us see the code now. So yes, this is the code. First I am initializing a variable n which will take the digit size, and we'll be starting our iteration from the right side, from the end. Now we will check whether adding +1 to this particular digit will make our answer 10 or not. If it is not 10, simply add +1 and return from here, because since there is no carry forward, we don't need to iterate towards the left side anymore. Now what if it was 10? If it was 10, that means we need to make this particular digit 0 and we need to move towards the left. So okay, we will make this 0 and this will again go on into loop like this. But what if this particular index was 0? Then we don't need to move towards the left and take the carry forward, right? So in that case, simply rather going towards the left, simply add 1 at the beginning and this will remain as it is. So this is what we are doing. If after making this digit 0, you realize, okay, this index was the last index, or I mean the beginning index, the most significant digit. So in that case, simply insert 1 at the beginning of your digits array and then return from here. So this is how we are doing. So this was a easy kind of problem, simple simulation. You can do with the help of carry forward as well, but that would make a code little bit complex, but I find this solution to be a little bit easier, so I just showed you this. So I hope you learned from this video. Thank you for watching.